In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subscription in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're in the correct account or location where you want to create the subscription. This is important because subscriptions are tied to the specific business workspace you're currently viewing. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu used to access different tools and settings throughout Gohighlevel. From that menu, click on Payments. This will take you to the area where billing, transactions, and recurring charges are managed. After that, move to the top menu and click on Subscriptions. The Subscriptions section is where you can view existing recurring billing setups and create new ones. If you're managing monthly services, retainers, or any repeating charge, this is the section you'll be using. Next, click on Add Subscription. This opens the form where you'll enter all the required information for the new subscription. Take your time here, because the details you enter will determine how and when the customer gets billed. Start by adding the customer details. Make sure the customer information is accurate, since this connects the subscription to the right contact record and helps avoid billing confusion later. Double check the contact before moving on, especially if you have customers with similar names. From there, go to the subscription details section. This is where you'll define the setup for the recurring payment. Depending on your account configuration, this section may include options related to the subscription structure, so review it carefully before continuing. Next, add the bill start date. This date controls when the subscription begins and when the customer will first be charged. Be sure to choose the correct date based on your agreement with the customer. A small mistake here can shift the entire billing cycle, so it's worth confirming before you proceed. After that, add the product or products, then enter the price and quantity. This step determines exactly what the customer is paying for and how much they'll be charged on each billing cycle. If you're including more than one item, make sure each one is entered correctly so the final total reflects the intended subscription amount. Once everything looks good, click on Schedule. This finalizes the subscription setup and places it into the billing schedule you've configured. Before you finish, it's always a good idea to quickly review all entered details one last time to make sure the customer, dates, products, pricing, and quantity are all correct. And that's how to add a subscription in Gohighlevel.